Welcome back to our channel today. We're delving into the incredible world of natural healing with a focus on one powerhouse, lavender essential oil. From relaxation to skincare, the benefits are truly astounding. Lavender is so much more than just a pretty flower with a sweet scent. Incredibly versatile, the health benefits of this amazing natural remedy seem to know no bounds. And when distilled into concentrated lavender oil, these benefits are so much more powerful. So just what is lavender oil good for? And what does it do? It turns out that lavender oil's benefits are surprisingly far-reaching. The benefits of lavender oil. Lavender's highly effective healing properties have been used in aromatherapy for thousands of years for a wide variety of ailments, ranging from being unable to sleep, getting rid of headaches and pain, to working wonders for skin and hair health. Lavender is also renowned as being one of the best natural remedies to reduce stress and anxiety and improve mental well-being and mood. And it does so quickly too. Before you add yet another over-the-counter medicine to your first aid kit, first have a look at all the different and natural health and healing benefits you can get from just this one. Here's how the multi-purpose magic of lavender essential oil can be used to help with a whole bunch of health issues to benefit both you and your family. Lavender oil benefits for the mind. 1. It improves stress, anxiety, and mood. There's plenty of research that shows that lavender has a soothing, calming effect on mood, stress, anxiety, and depression. One study found that lavender oil performed exactly the same as a prescription medication in reducing anxiety. Another observed that lavender lessens anxiety, sleep disturbances, and depression. 2. It supports better brain health. Interestingly, lavender oil has been shown to improve memory loss and dementia symptoms due to its potent antioxidant properties. A study also found that lavender is an effective natural treatment option for other nervous system disorders affecting the brain, such as a stroke. 3. It clears up a headache or migraine. When a tension or migraine headache strikes, lavender has been proven to be one of the best essential oils to help. As a natural sedative, it works quickly to relieve tension, ease anxiety, relax the body, and calm the mind. How to use lavender essential oil for healthy mind? One of the best ways is to diffuse lavender essential oil at a rate of 3 to 5 drops per cup of water for 15 to 20 minutes at a time. Otherwise, simply take a couple of deep sniffs into each nostril straight out of the bottle for immediate relief. Regularly adding lavender to a warm bath or shower can help keep anxiety at bay and improve your mood. Simply use some lavender oil-infused bath salts, bubble bath, or shower gel. A hot compress infused with the healing benefits of lavender can be particularly helpful for a headache or migraine, and even to relieve stress. Warm up a lavender spa mask or neck pillow in the microwave and place on the forehead, temples, or back of the neck. Lavender oil benefits for the body. 1. It improves sleep and insomnia. Good quality sleep is widely recognized to be the most important thing for optimal health. Many studies have shown that lavender is a natural choice to improve the length of sleep, the time it takes to fall asleep, and reduce insomnia, all due to its calming and sedative properties. It's been found to increase the percentage of deep sleep amongst both men and women, improve sleep quality scores for midlife insomniacs, and also enhance the quality of sleep amongst young mothers. 2. It reduces blood pressure and heart rate. Hypertension puts added stress on the heart, increasing the risk of a stroke or heart attack. A few studies have shown lavender to lower blood pressure and heart palpitations, including amongst postoperative open heart surgery patients. 3. It lessens menopausal and PMS symptoms. A small study has shown that lavender aromatherapy for 20 minutes twice a day can help reduce hot flashes. Regular aromatherapy massages using lavender, rose geranium, rose and jasmine oils also improved hot flashes, depression, and pain. Lavender aromatherapy has also been found to alleviate premenstrual emotional symptoms. 4. It eases most types of pain. Whether it's a muscle or joint pain, sprain, or backache, lavender oil is a safe and effective natural painkiller. Many studies support its use for a wide array of pain conditions, including postoperative pain, menstrual cramps, neck pain, arthritis and rheumatism, and labor pain. 5. It helps relieve respiratory symptoms. As a potent anti-inflammatory, lavender has been found to help with bronchial asthma to reduce inflammation of the airways and mucus. This could also apply to other respiratory conditions like colds, flu, coughs, and sinus congestion, especially when lavender is used together with other essential oils. How to use lavender essential oil for a healthy body. Aside from diffusing lavender oil, you can also toss a lavender sachet under your pillow and spritz your linen with lavender spray for a better night's sleep. A warm bath before bed has also been shown to improve sleep. A lavender heat wrap warmed in the microwave is the ideal solution for any chronic pain. Massaging with lavender massage oil can also help with muscle, joint, and other types of pain. To help clear up colds and flu or other respiratory conditions, add 3 to 7 drops of lavender essential oil into a bowl with 2 to 3 cups of hot water. Place a towel over your head and breathe in for 5 to 10 minutes. What does lavender essential oil do? All essential oils are extracted from plant material through steam distillation. With lavender, it takes about 3 pounds of flowers to pack all the powerful healing properties of the plant into just half an ounce of essential oil. So lavender essential oil doesn't just smell nice. It's made up of hundreds of soothing natural compounds, and when you inhale it or apply to your skin, it can have a profound effect on both your mind and your body. So just how does lavender oil work? When the scent of lavender essential oil is inhaled, the aromatic molecules travel up your nose to your olfactory bulb, which immediately sends a message to the limbic system, often referred to as the emotional brain. The limbic system influences many basic things like breathing, blood pressure, stress levels, and hormone balance. But it's also where your memories, emotions, and feelings are stored. That's why the scent of cookies baking can quickly trigger a memory from childhood. This whole process happens within milliseconds. It's why we often have an immediate response when we smell something, instantly triggering a mood, emotion, or physical reaction. And it's why just one whiff of lavender can often make you immediately feel calmer and more relaxed. Lavender essential oil also works effectively when applied to the skin. It has a low molecular weight and is fat-soluble, which means its healing components easily penetrate skin and provide benefits to the body. When applied topically, it is rapidly absorbed. It takes a mere 20 minutes for the oil to affect every cell in the body. And in many instances, you actually get a twofold benefit as you also inhale the essential oil at the same time as you apply it topically. Because it's highly concentrated and potent, it's important to note that lavender essential oil always needs to be diluted before applied topically. It's also a good idea to safety test for sensitivity on the inside of your upper arm before use. Thank you for joining us on this aromatic journey through the healing benefits and uses of lavender essential oil. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more insightful content, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching.